Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. It is officially November here and we're starting to wear sweaters. Today we're going to make a soup that is perfect for the cold weather. It is called lotus root and pork rib soup. In Chinese, 排骨炖藕. This soup is super easy to make and it only requires 3 simple ingredients. Lotus root, pork ribs, and a secret ingredient that I'm going to reveal later in this video. So make sure to watch to the end to find out. Now let's get started.
First, let's prepare a bowl of water to wash the ribs. Water can help clean blood and other impurities on the pork ribs. Let the pork soak for 15 minutes. Now let's prepare the lotus root. Simply peel the skin with a peeler. Remove the ends of the lotus root, then chop lotus root into smaller pieces. Toss the end pieces in bruised parts. Drain the ribs and rinse it with water a couple more times. Next, we will boil the ribs and remove blood. Put a pot of water on the stove. Add ribs. Bring to boil. You can see a lot of foam coming out. After boiling for 5 minutes, take out the ribs, leaving the foam in the water. Now the ribs are ready for the soup. Bring another pot of water, add pre-boiled ribs in. Add lotus root. Lastly, add the secret ingredient. Yes, you guessed it, ginger. And that's all 3 ingredients you need for this soup. Bring it to boil, take out the foam on the surface with a spoon. Let it boil for 5 minutes or so until there is no more foam coming out. Cover the pot with a lid and cook on low heat for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the soup is ready. You can see the color of the soup turned into a reddish color from the pork and lotus root. You can serve the soup in a bowl, and now let's give it a taste. The soup is slightly sweet. Lotus root is soft and warm. The ribs are very tender and the meat falls right off the bone. It is a perfect simple winter soup for you and your family. You can also make a dipping sauce for the ribs and veggies with soy sauce and chili oil. Thanks so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.